Hi everyone, adding text directly under a picture in Microsoft Word can be done in a few different ways depending on whether you want a formal caption or just simple text that stay attached to the image. So first head to the insert and select the picture from your computer device. So first method is to insert the caption. This is the most professional method because Word will automatically group the text in the image and can even number them for you. So for this you need to right click and click on the insert caption from the menu. So the dialog box will be appeared up, and now in the caption you need to type here, for example, and in the option you need to select the figure or the photos or the table, whatever you want. So I'll be selecting the figure, and in the position ensure you should select it to the below selected items, and now click OK to proceed. Here you can see that. So let me undo that. So there is another method, that is the text box method. If you want total control over the placement and formatting, a text box is the most flexible option. So for this you need to go to the insert and click on the text box and click on the draw a text box. Now draw a text box over here and type the desired text, for example, kids love eating. And now right click and click on the shape, format shape, and in the line you need to select no line. So you can see that line has been removed, so you can move it anywhere under the picture. You can resize it like this one. So there is another method. You need to click on the picture and you will see that layout option. Click on that and you need to select the inline with text, and now click the cursor at the end of the picture. So your cursor will be blinking on the right side, and then press enter, and now you can type directly underneath it. And so here with these three methods you can easily add text under a picture in Word document. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.